Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, according to the time where you are. And welcome to Afritelly. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, gẹ́gẹ́ bí àsìkò bí tẹ́ bá wà lágbàáyé, ẹ káàbọ̀ sí Afritelly. Uva huo menta, uva pa evaya, uva eta, ya terevitolo Afritelly. Today we are going to postcode NN1, and NN means Northampton. So if you are new to my channel, what we do is we always visit different postcode in the UK at the moment. So please subscribe, click the notification bell, and click the likes button, and watch to the end and get the full postcode of where we are going. So from the location where we are right now, it says we're going to get to our postcode in 40 minutes time. Come on guys, let the journey begin. So you might be wondering, why is it dark? Is it night time? No, it is early in the morning in the UK time, England. So the time is 5:15 in the morning, and see you later. Bye guys. So the road we are driving now says we are on A519. So this is somewhere around Leicestershire. This is countryside road. I'm not sure if you guys can see both left and right on your screen and see the farming areas. All right, guys. So we are now in Northampton. Remember, guys, the postcode we are going to is NN1. So I'm not. When we get to where we are going, so I will mention the full postcode of where we are going as usual that we do on this channel. So if this is your area, please put comment below and tell us what is some sort of a tourism attraction in your area. So this is Northampton. The Satnav says that we are gonna get to our destination in 4 minutes. Oh, we missed the turning, so now I'm gonna find a way to make a U-turn. So if we don't make a U-turn, then the Satnav has recalculate, then we can still continue going straight. So let's see where this will lead us to. So let's see where we are. I noticed something that they have a couple of cameras around this area, like a speed camera. This is one again. I've seen a lot of them on our way coming. Northampton. So let's see. Somehow it recalculated that I should continue my journey straight, but it says that I missed the turning earlier. But it says in 2 minutes now that we are going to get to our destination. It says Campbell Road. So let's see here. Although they have a beautiful architecture in this area, like those houses both on the left and right, they look so nice, so gorgeous. So this is Northampton International Academy on the right hand side. So we are exiting Kitchen Road. Wow, they have a beautiful casino. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Just on my right hand side here. It says casino. I'm not sure, maybe it's the casino. Oh yeah, their casino has like a slot, restaurant, bar. That's interesting. So, Nottingham Fire Station. That's absolutely like a complete old building. Or old architecture. Maybe I shouldn't say old building, it's just old architecture. sure if I said Nottingham because there is Nottingham, but this is Northampton. Sorry, guys, I'm not sure if I said Nottingham earlier, but this is Northampton, not Nottingham. Just thinking in my mind. Just thinking in my mind the looks of Nottingham and Northampton. That's what I'm thinking. Northampton, they have okay, that's like a kind of military base. So this is interesting where this Satnav is taking us to. It says 1 minute to the end of the journey. All right, guys, thank you for watching to the end. The postcode where we are now is NN1 3AU. Thank you, and give your comments below if this is your Aldi. And thanks to Aldi man.